Hello again, gentlemen. Imagine that you are writing an email. You are to write an email to someone to ask for information. About, for example, some computers or desktop computers you have ordered. In the informal language, you can say, please send me some information or more information about the desktop computers. But I'd like you to change, to think about this sentence and try to change it from formal language into informal language. Yes? Tell me about the desktop computers. This is informal language, and I want you to change it into formal. Okay? Actually, you can say, I am writing to inquire about the desktop computers. I am writing to inquire about the desktop computers. Okay, let me use the blue. I am writing to inquire about desktop computers. Okay, let's have a look on the second example. Check the logo. Here you want to tell someone to check the logo in a polite way. Okay, I think it's not polite to say, it doesn't sound polite to say, check the logo. Instead, you can say, I would appreciate it if you check the logo. I would appreciate it if you check the logo. Okay, let's look to the following example. Follow the instructions. Okay, the same thing. This way of giving information, giving instructions is going to be impolite or is going to be tough. So you want to soften your language, especially if you are sending this email to someone at work or someone who is in a higher position in the company. Okay. So follow the instructions. You can say, I would be grateful if you follow the instructions. I would be grateful if you follow the instructions. Good. Confirm by email. Actually, you can say, please confirm by email. Please confirm by email. For example, if the information is correct. If the information is correct. For example, you are sending someone, you want to ask someone to come to your company, for example, to take or to give more information about the product you ask for. You need a product and you want someone to come from outside the company to give you more information. Would you say, please send me someone to give information, to give us more information about the product? This will be quite direct, and we need to soften our language, as we said before, and also to make it indirect as much as possible. Okay, so you can say, instead of saying the sales rep can come, this is this could be a piece of bad information or bad news. Okay, so instead of saying the sales rep can't come, you can make an introduction. Okay, you can say, I am sorry to tell you, I'm sorry to tell you that the sales rep can't come. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video.